Hi there, this is just a quick introduction or directions for Nothing Gold Can Stay, your poem analysis for Robert Frost's poem Nothing Gold Can Stay. If you remember last week we read a part of the story where Pony Boy recites this poem to Johnny from his own memory. It perfectly depicts the sunrise that they're watching together, and although Pony Boy at this time says he never really understood what it meant, we're going to take a closer look at it this week to make sure that we understand what it meant. If you go to present mode on the first slide and you click here, you can listen to Pony Boy recite the poem in the scene from the film. That it could be helpful to hear Pony Boy reading it, or the actor who plays Pony Boy reading it, but it's also pretty short, so if you don't want to click on that, you just want to read it on your own, you may. Each of these slides takes a closer look at the poem, 2 lines at a time, up until the final slide where you are taking a look specifically at alliteration and theme. Be sure to read the definition and the directions here. Again, each slide looks just at 2 specific lines of the poem, but you are provided on each slide with a full copy of the poem. It's not very long, so I just kind of stuck it up there for you so you'd have it for your reference. Please do your best to have this done by Wednesday so it can be part of our class discussion. If you don't have it done by Monday, that's okay, but make sure you have it done by Wednesday. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, be sure to ask me Wednesday during class discussion.